Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable unattended upgrades on Ubuntu VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ubuntu VPS through SSH. Enter your server's IP address along with your username. Use the command ssh username at IP_address to connect. Once you are logged in, update the package list by typing sudo apt update. Next, install the Unattended Upgrades package by entering sudo apt install unattended upgrades. After the installation, configure it by opening the configuration file with the command sudo nano/etc/app/apartments_conf. In this file, look for the section that begins with Unattended Upgrade Allowed Origins. You can enable automatic updates for the security updates by uncommenting the line that starts with $distro_ID: $distro. To enable updates for other types of packages, uncomment the corresponding lines according to your preference. After making the changes, save the file by pressing Ctrl+O and then exit by pressing Ctrl+X. Next, open the file that controls the automatic updates schedule with sudo nano/etc/app/apartments_conf/20. In this file, ensure that both apt periodic update package lists and apt periodic unattended upgrade are set to 1. This setting will ensure that your system checks for updates daily and applies them automatically. After making these changes, save and exit the file again. To check if unattended upgrades are working, you can simulate a test upgrade by running sudo unattended upgrades dry run debug. This command will show you what packages would be upgraded without actually installing them. Once you confirm everything is set up correctly, you can exit the simulation. Finally, it's a good idea to monitor the log files to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. You can find the logs in the /var/log/unattended upgrades/. This completes your setup for unattended upgrades on your Ubuntu VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.